Question number 12. Let R if to R be given fx is equal to x to the power 5 x to the power 4 plus 10x cube plus 10x square plus 3x plus 1 x less than 0 x square minus x plus 1 for all 0 less or equal to x less than 1 2 by 3 x cube minus 4x square plus 7x minus 8 by 3 for all x less or equal to 1 less than 3 x minus 2 log x minus 2 minus x plus 10 by 3 x greater or equal to 3. Then which of the following options are or is correct? F is on 2, f dash is not differentiable at 1, f dash has local maximum at x is equal to 1, and number D, f is increasing on minus infinity to 0. Let's try to solve it. At first, we check the differentiability of the function. This one lies between 0 and 1. This and this one. F dash x. F dash for this function, this one, f dash is equal to 2x minus 1 lies between 0 less than 1 less than 1. For this function, after differentiating, we get 2x square minus 8x plus 7 for all 1 less or equal to x less than 3. Now f dash 1 minus is equal to 1. F dash 1 plus is equal to 1. Therefore f dash is continuous. Let's check the differentiate this function once again. F double dash, first one is 2, lies between 0 to 1. Second one is 4x minus 8, lies between 1 to 3. Now f dash का L and f double dash का RHL is equal. Then number B, f dash is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. This option is right. B is right. Because f dash का HL RHL are same. Now change of sign positive to negative. Now changes of sign. Let's here we see the changes of sign is positive to negative. How? Then differentiability at the point. Check the differentiability at the point 1. F dash 1 is equal to 1. F double dash 1 is equal to not defined. Not defined. So we say it has a maxima and f dash has a local maxima at the point. So we say f dash has a local maximum at x is equal to 1. This is option number C. Now therefore option number C is correct. Now option number D, f dash is increasing on minus infinity to 0. Minus infinity to 0, f dash is increasing. Here the first function, this one is fx is equal to x plus 1 whole to the power 5 minus 2 minus 2x. Therefore, after calculating f dash, we get 5x plus 1 whole to the power 4 minus 2. Minus 2. Sorry, this one is x to the power 1 plus 1. Get minus 2. Now this is the option, it lies between x less than 0. X less than 0. Cover this no need. This one lies x between x less than 0. Here x plus 1 at the x plus 1 and it carries the power to the power 4. Therefore f is always increasing. F is always increasing function at infinity. Therefore D minus 1 at the point minus 1 at the point minus 1, f is negative. F is negative. Therefore we easily says that f is increasing at minus infinity to 0. Option D is not increasing. Sorry, f is not increasing at the point 0. Now remaining option is, this one is wrong. Now remaining option is f is on to. F is on to. Now check this. F dash is this function. F dash x is equal to 1 plus log of x minus 2 minus 1 is equal to log of x minus 2 greater or equal to 0. Now at the point 3, now we calculate at the point 3, f3 is equal to, calculate the value of f3 minus 3 is equal to 1 by 3. It is also increasing, it is increasing, and f3 is equal to 1 by 3. F infinity is also infinity. This means it's an increasing function, and its range is 1 by 3 comma infinity. Therefore f is onto. Hence the range of this function is 1 by 3 and 3. Therefore f is onto. Option A is also correct. Therefore A, B, C is correct and D is our wrong answer. This is our complete solution.